that you can find here. Like for example, this one here, there's a note. If we keep scrolling, we should be... Hello guys, and welcome to AI Plus More. And in this video, I'll be showing you how you can share notes on Instagram videos and Reels. But before I start talking, let's head over to Instagram first. Alright, now that we're here on Instagram, we all know that Instagram has a feature called Notes, and it's something that has also been recently added to Messenger as well. And not on Facebook, it's something else. It's only found within the messaging apps. Even on Instagram, you can't find it here until you've updated your Instagram to its latest version, which allows it to have notes on videos or posts that you see on your newsfeed. For example, if I go around here, there should be a note that you can find here. Like for example, this one here, there's a note. If we keep scrolling, we should be able to find more notes from other people, which are your followers or people that you follow. Okay, let's head over to the messaging section of the Instagram app, and you'll see that there are some notes here, a lot of notes. And initially it was just like this. You just have notes that you can find here on your Instagram messaging section, and you can even put your own note. Like me, I have put my own note here. But now with the latest updates, you can put your notes on Instagram Reels and Instagram videos so that people can see your thoughts on a certain video, and they may make an opinion out of something which is not really that good. So how can you do it? So for a post here, let's say there's a post here that we like. For example, the girls group chat versus the boys group chat. Let's say that I can relate to this and that this is true. So we just click here on this paper plane, and we just need to click here on the add note on the bottom left section of your screen, and then you just type in what you want to say about this. And you even have the option to choose whether you want to share this with followers you follow back, or you can just share this to your close friends. So let's just type in what we want to say about this, and then let's just put here relatable, and then all you need to do is share. And it should now pop out your screen, and now people can see that this is what you think about this post. And let's say on Reels this time, it works the same way. Let's head over to Reels. This one here, let's add a note. As you can see, someone already added a note here before us, which is our friend. So we just need to click on the paper plane again, and then just click on add note, and then you just type in what you want to say. And that is it. That is how you can share notes on videos and Reels on Instagram. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, once again this is Kim, and I would like to thank you all for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe to the channel to get more free tutorials for your everyday needs. And come on, once again, let me tell you, it's free, okay? So if you change your mind, you can always unsubscribe later on, but I would suggest not to do that. Please, 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 please.